Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza. First, let's prepare the dough. Begin by combining 1 1/2 cups of warm water with 1 teaspoon of sugar and 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Let it sit for 5 minutes until foamy. Next, mix 3 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour with 2 teaspoons of salt. Gradually add the yeast mixture to the flour, then knead for about 5 to 7 minutes. Finally, let the dough rise for 1 hour. Now that your dough is ready, it's time for the sauce and toppings. Spread about 1/2 cup of your favorite pizza sauce evenly over the rolled-out dough, leaving a 1-inch border. Next, sprinkle 1 1/2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. This creates a delicious, gooey base. Then, add your preferred toppings like pepperoni or vegetables, distributing them evenly. Remember, don't overload the pizza to ensure it cooks perfectly. With your pizza assembled, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to a high temperature, around 475 degrees Fahrenheit or 245 degrees Celsius, for at least 30 minutes. This ensures a crispy crust. Carefully transfer your prepared pizza onto a preheated pizza stone or baking sheet. Bake for 8 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is wonderfully bubbly. Remember to rotate it halfway for even cooking. Your delicious homemade pizza is almost ready. Once it's out of the oven, let it cool on a wire rack for 2 to 3 minutes. This helps the cheese set and prevents burns. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh basil leaves or a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Then, using a sharp pizza cutter, slice your pizza into 8 equal pieces. Serve immediately and savor the incredible taste of your very own, perfectly crafted pizza. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.